Hello, welcome to ACS Trainer Notching and Drilling Joists. Joists play an important part in supporting floors within a house. Gas engineers, plumbers and electricians often need to run pipes and cables through them. Every time a notch or hole is cut into a joist, it weakens it. Because of this, there are regulations in place to prevent weakening any joist to an extent that it could collapse. Joists generally span from supporting wall to supporting wall, as can be seen. The maximum depth that can be notched is 0.125 of its depth. If the joist was 200 mm deep, then what is the maximum depth of the notch? The easiest way to calculate the maximum depth of a notch is to measure the depth of the joist, we have 200 mm, times this by 0.125, this will give us 25 mm. So the maximum depth of notch for a 200 mm depth joist is 25 mm. No notches must be cut in the first 0.07 or 7% of the span. This is highlighted red. Notches can be cut within 0.25 or 25% of the span. This area is highlighted green. The area highlighted green is the allowable limits of notching. You must not place notches in any other part of the joist. Remember, the depth of notch is 0.125 or 12.5% of the depth of the joist. The maximum diameter of hole that can be drilled is 0.25 or 25% of the depth. Holes must be made to the centre of the joist. Holes must not be closer than 3 diameters from centre to centre. If the joist was 150 mm deep, what is the maximum hole size? 150 mm for depth times 0.25 equals 37.5 mm diameter maximum. No drilling in the first 0.25 or 25% of the span, the area highlighted red. Holes can be drilled in the 0.4 40% of the span, in the area highlighted green. The area highlighted green is the allowable limits of holes. You must not place holes in any other part of the joist. The holes must be drilled in the centre of the depth of the joist, and remember the size of hole is 0.25 or 25% of the depth of the joist, and holes must be a minimum of 3 diameters apart. You can follow us and keep updated with new calculators and information by following us on either Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram. Thank you.